Hi Megan, it's Amy. I'm doing this video to talk about your advocacy text. I have a few suggestions here, but I wanted to start off by saying that I really like what you created. I like the background. The light blue is really soothing to look at, so you chose a good color for that, and then the clouds look really good. It's really subtle but very effective, so good job. Um, I really like your get active, stay active. That really caught my attention when I first looked at this piece, and then I really couldn't find much to critique on it because it's just so good. But I guess one thing would be this statistic is really interesting to me because I didn't know that that many deaths each year um, are due to physical inactivity because they do cause other things. So that does surprise me. You could maybe consider bolding this number just because it would grab more attention when the reader is reading that, and then it could like instill some fear into them, so it may want them to exercise and become active even more. um I really like these three little boxes here with each health point, with the little images. They're really effective and cute. And then the recommendation box down here is really good. The only thing that I would say is like with aerobic exercise and then strength training, if you're giving this to somebody who maybe doesn't ever work out, they may not know what these type of trainings are or exercises are, and they might have to look it up. So I guess just to some people might not want to, so they might just like disregard it completely. So if you want, you could just maybe consider adding what some things might be that they could do that would be considered strength training and aerobic exercise. But yeah, I noticed I like how you put your source down here in the grass of the background. It looks really good and blends in well. Um, I'm going to take that into consideration when I make my final draft. So thank you for that. But yeah, overall, you did a really great job. I just had those few bits and pieces for you. So yeah, thank you.